Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this lecture, we have to discuss matrix inversion method for the solution of a system of equations 4x minus 2y is equal to 8 and 3x plus y is equal to minus 4. First we have to write the given system in matrix form. So in step 1, the coefficient of x is 4, the coefficient of y is minus 2, the coefficient of x in the second equation is 3, and the coefficient of y in the second equation is 1. Therefore, the given matrix can be written as 4 minus 2, 3, 1 into xy is equal to column matrix 8 minus 4. Now consider the coefficient matrix is M, the variable matrix is X, and the column matrix is B. In step 2, the coefficient matrix M is non-singular because 4 multiplied by 1 minus 3 into minus 2 give us 4 plus 6, which is 10. 10 not equal to 0. Therefore, M inverse is possible. Now, the system Mx is equal to B can be written as x is equal to M inverse B, but M inverse is equal to 1 over M determinant, adjoint of M multiplied by B. So x is equal to 1 over M determinant, adjoint of M multiplied by B. So in step 3, xy is equal to capital X is equal to M inverse and matrix B. This is B. Therefore, we know that M inverse is equal to 1 over 10. Matrix 1, 2, minus 3, 4, because adjoint of matrix M is equal to 1, 2, minus 3, 4. By changing the element of diagonal and sign of non-diagonal element. So now if we multiply 1 with 8, 10 with 8, and 2 with minus 4, this gives us 8 minus 8, and if we multiplied minus 3 with 8, this is minus 24, and 4 multiplied by minus 4 is equal to minus 16. So the matrix becomes 1 over 10. column matrix 0 minus 40. Now if we divide 0 by 10 and minus 4 by minus 10, this gives us 0 minus 4. So corresponding to x 0, but corresponding to y as minus 4. Therefore, value of x is 0 and value of y is minus 4. This is the required solution by matrix inversion method.